Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Lexus car. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes, like rectangles and circles, to get the basic structure right. This initial step is crucial for ensuring your car has accurate proportions. Remember to keep your lines light and loose at this stage, as we'll refine them later. This approach helps build a solid base for your drawing. Now, let's refine the body of your Lexus. Pay close attention to the iconic spindle grille and the sharp, angular headlights that give Lexus its unique look. Smoothly connect the lines to form the elegant curves of the car's body, including the doors and side mirrors. Take your time with the wheel arches and tires, ensuring they look perfectly round and grounded. These details bring your drawing to life. To make your Lexus drawing truly pop, it's time to add depth and shading. Think about where light would hit the car and where shadows would naturally fall. Use a range of pencil pressures to create different tones, from light grays to deep blacks. Don't forget to add subtle reflections on the windows and the car's polished surface to give it a realistic, three-dimensional appearance. This step adds significant visual impact. For the final touches, carefully erase any remaining sketch lines to clean up your drawing. Go back and refine any areas that need a bit more attention, like the door handles, side mirrors, or the Lexus emblem. Consider adding a simple background to place your car in a scene. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.